Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today I would like to tell you how to make fire chicken wings. And check it out. The first, you need to prepare the ingredients such as chicken, chopped onion, chopped garlic, and salt and pepper, chili, Inggris ketchup, sauce tiram, tomato sauce, chili sauce, and oil. And the second, you must fry the chicken until well done. The next, heat the butter and then insert the chopped onion and chopped garlic. And then insert the tomato sauce and chili sauce. And then insert the Inggris ketchup and sauce tiram and chili. And then insert the salt and pepper. And then now we insert the chicken wing. Cooking this until the smell out. Finally, the fire chicken wing ready to serve. Wow! Just that video cooking demo from me. If there's something wrong, please forgive me. Thank you. Goodbye.